It is inevitable that at some point in the future, humanity will learn to live without polluting fossil fuels. Humanity, however, cannot survive without clean, potable water and sanitation. For some of us, access to clean water is as simple as turning on a faucet. But for billions of people throughout the world, there is no faucet and there is no clean water. As water becomes an ever more precious resource worldwide, energy companies and other industrial users have dedicated themselves to finding solutions to better utilize, reuse, and recycle the large amounts of contaminated water resulting from their operations. Here is a typical example of the challenges facing these industries today. The ability to transform large volumes of wastewater, either on-site or in central processing facilities, into usable and recyclable water will provide a sustainable solution for the benefit of both industry and humanity. Latitude Solutions does indeed have the enabling water remediation technology to convert contaminated water into reusable makeup water in large volumes on a highly efficient and cost-effective basis. Our story begins 30 years ago in a laboratory in Laramie, Wyoming called Western Research Institute, which at that time was associated with the Department of Energy and were working on sustainable solutions to deal with contaminated water. The principals working on technology at that facility were two gentlemen by the name of William Gilmore and Dr. Russell Renk, who developed a new technology which became commonly known as electrocoagulation. By introducing an electrical current into water, this process has the unique ability to kill viruses, bacteria, and cysts, to remove heavy metals, and to separate suspended solids from contaminated water. This remarkable technology was at that time the state of the art, but it had two limitations. The limitations were the ability to scale to very large volumes and the ability to operate in a highly cost-effective manner. Recently, this company, over the last couple of years, brought together Bill Gilmore and Dr. Renk, who collaborated once again and solved the problems of the early days of electrocoagulation, so that now it can be scaled to thousands of gallons a minute. It can operate in a very highly efficient and cost-effective manner, and we have changed the name now of that technology to electroprecipitation.
What we did over the last 30 years is develop a process whereby we would select the best materials and the best configurations to remove specific types of materials from water. That's what makes the process very highly efficient. And that's why we call it the electroprecipitation process, is because it's specifically designed to precipitate these materials from solution.
What you see here is the actual deployment of our IWS 630 electroprecipitation water remediation unit in support of a hydraulic fracturing operation in the Fayetteville Shale in Arkansas for one of the world's largest oil gas producers. This is a typical setup for a fracking operation. The tanks you see on the left are filled by tankers which bring the contaminated flowback water from the well site. That contaminated water is pumped on a continuous flow basis through our plant, seen here in white, where it is remediated and converted into clean makeup water and then pumped out into working tanks for reuse in continuing fracking operations. The IWS 630 Mobile Electroprecipitation Treatment Unit successfully treated more than 60,000 barrels or 2.5 million gallons of contaminated flowback water, allowing it to be used as clean makeup water. Because of the work of Bill Gilmore and Dr. Russell Renk, we are grateful to have this technology. We are grateful to have the opportunity to commercialize it, and to demonstrate its value in helping to provide sustainable water remediation solutions for industries and humanity for generations to come. Our technology not only can provide economic benefit for the company and its shareholders, but provides an opportunity to become part of a mission that serves a higher purpose by giving back to humanity. All of us here at Latitude Solutions look forward to the future with great optimism. The time has finally come where the work of Bill Gilmore and Dr. Russell Rank means something significant. We can play our role in helping to preserve the quality of life, because without water, there is no life, and without clean water, there is no healthy life.